If you are in Saudi Arabia and would like to exchange your car number plate with someone of your friends or from someone else, then this is the video for you. Let's get started. Suppose you have one number plate and you would like to change with your friend or someone selling on internet in Saudi Arabia. So you have to follow this procedure. Exchange car number plate. Same or different owners of cars. Procedure is same. Both cars should be of same category, private or transport cars. So how we can differentiate between private and transport? We can have a look on this image. The blue color number plates means those are private transport, and this color type of plate means private only. So there are general tips you should follow. You should meet only in public places. Don't pay anything in advance, and you should inspect the vehicle before buy, the vehicle plate before buy. You can use Mojaz application for this process. These are some of the requirements. You should have valid Ikama, valid Upshur account, I can say, and valid vehicle insurance, valid FAHAS, valid Istimara, valid driving license, no unpaid traffic violation. So you have to pay the required fee, which is 400 Riyal per vehicle. I will show you the procedure later on, and provide number plate sale contract from an authorized vehicle agency. For example, you can go to used car showrooms. There are people sitting, and you should the both owners should go there and ask them that we are exchanging our number plates. Please make a contract for us, and you should have a file to save documents while you are going to Murur office. So for the first owner, you have to go to your bank application, and you have to go Sadad payments, and then you have to click on government payments, and then you have to click on motor vehicle Murakkabat, and then you have to select this option transfer plates, changing current vehicle plate. In Arabic, we can call it Istabdal Lohat al Murakkiba al Malik. So you have to click on payment, and here you have to fill some information. For the first owner, you have to write the Ikama number, and you have to write the vehicle sequence number. From the vehicle registration card on the bottom, you can find this vehicle sequence number, and the second one is vehicle registration type. That should be khasa. You can see it on your vehicle registration like this. Khasusi means private. And vehicle body type, uh, there is an option 9 passenger or less. This is SAB bank application. Maybe your bank application will say 7 passenger or less, like that. So you have to select this, click continue, and then the system will show you the total amount. 300 Riyal is for the registration fee, and 100 Riyal is for plate fee. The Murur office will provide you the new plates. That's why this 100 Riyal. So you have to click continue, and for the second owner you have to do the same procedure, and but here you have to write the second owner ID comma number and second owner vehicles sequence number in the same procedure. So you have to go to your mobile application, go to Sadat payments, and government payments. You have to select motor vehicle, transfer plate, changing current vehicle plate, and then this is for the second owner. So you have to write his ICAMA number and the vehicle sequence number, and the registration type is private like Khasusi, and the vehicle body type is 9 or less. Even sometime you can see on the vehicle registration Hamula Murakkaba, it is written 5. It means 9 passenger or less. So 5 is less than 9. So you have to click continue, and it will ask you the same amount. So you have to pay this fee and click continue. The both receipts you should have print out with you. And now it is the time to book an appointment from Upshur. So both vehicle owners should book an appointment of the same day. It should be on the same hour or on the 1 hour difference, 2 hour difference, it does not matter. The branch and the day should be same. So you have to select the service replacement of vehicle plates, and you have to go to Google and write Upshur login. So if you have Upshur login, you have to click login. If you don't have Upshur login, you have to click register and create your account. You have to provide your username or ID number. You have to provide the password and click on login. On your registered mobile with Upshur, you will receive a verification code you have to enter. And after that, you have to click on this more option under the appointments. Then you have to select Marur traffic. After that, you will see this page, and then you have to click on proceed to service. And after that, you have to click on book new appointment. And on this page, you have to select this option replacement of vehicle plates Istabdal Lohat Murakkaba, and you have to select your region. If you are from Riyadh, if you are from Jeddah, Makkah, you have to select accordingly and click next. On the next page, you can increase the number of entries from this drop down, and you can select your nearest traffic office. Then you have to click on select. After that, you have to choose appointment time, a proper time for you. Click on that. After that, it will give you the instructions which documents you should bring with you, which I have provided you already. So you have to click on confirm appointment details. After that, you will receive a message on your registered mobile number with Upshur. And you and the second owner, for example, if your time is 10 a.m. and the other owner his time is 11 a.m., no problem. 12 a.m., no problem. But it should be on the same day. So there is some other information. You can visit Upshur website for online plate auction as well. Upshur is now selling some plate numbers on Upshur. You have to click on Upshur and click on online plate auction, and you will see numbers like that, and there will be price. And if you would like to see the available number plates on internet, you should visit this Haraj website, and you have to select cars, and after that parts and accessories, and after that you have to click on special panel, and after that you will see people are selling different plate numbers, so you have to click on that and contact with them. And there is another website, I have provided all the links in the description, opensouk.com. So you have to click here the categories option, car number plates. You have to go to car and plates, and then you have to select car number plates. And don't forget to follow the eMarur Twitter account for latest confirmed updates. So this is the source. They have Facebook page as well with the same eMarur. So I have asked a question from them. So I have written in Arabic and English both. What is the procedure to buy a private car number plate only from the owner of the car. So they have replied to my comment. So I have just translated it using Google. So if you have a different query and you would like to ask from the Mroor, so you can go to their Twitter account and you can uh, tweet them and they will reply you. So I have a Facebook page as well, having used cars information. So you should join. Let me show you the websites. This is the Mroor website. So you should follow all the daily updates. So if you want to translate anything, just copy the text and go to Google Translate. Select here Arabic, paste them, and here select English, and you can translate and understand what they are saying. And this is the website, Haraj website. For example, you should have to click on cars and then parts and accessories and then special panel, and you can select your region as well and the city as well. So here are the people they selling number plates. So for example, this one you can click and he is saying that I have this number plate. So he has received an offer of 3,500 for this. And this is the other website, OpenSouk. You have to click on all categories and then cars and then here car number plates. And you can see also people are selling number plates here as well. So you have to click any one of them. So this is the number plate 700 and you will click here and you will find his contact number. So you have to first log in if you have an account. If you don't have, so you have to create your account then log in. And this is my Facebook page. So here I am posting regularly about the used cars as well and about other related information as well. Thank you very much. Bye bye.